Hello from Seoul? Alright, classic is always the best. But aren't you getting tired of eating the same eggs, bacon, every single morning? If that's your story, you came to the right place. With this video and a bowl of hot rice, trust me, you will get an amazing breakfast literally every day. Alright, are you guys ready? Let's get started. Today, I'm gonna show you 5 types of banchan, Korean side dishes. You think it's too much? Don't worry about it. If you put them in an airtight container and store them in the fridge, they will last anywhere between 2 days to 14 days. So just think of it as a meal prep and invest a little bit of time. I'm pretty sure you will thank yourself later. Alright, as always, let's start with the easiest one, spicy cucumber salad. You wanna know how easy that is? Trust me, all you need is only 5 minutes. For this, you will need cucumber, onion, and some garlic chives. Actually, these onion and garlic chives are optional. They're just gonna make your dish more pretty and fancy. So if you don't have them, just skip them. No problem at all. First, take a cucumber and cut off the ends, because they do have kind of bitter taste. And then cut it into quarter-inch thick slices, not too thin, not too thick. Next, onion. Slice a quarter of an onion and soak them in cold water for about 5 minutes. Otherwise, you know, your significant other may not want to talk with you because of your breath. Lastly, chop some garlic chives into long strips. About 1.5 inch would be perfect. This time, let's make the seasoning sauce. Put 1.5 tablespoons of Korean chili pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, half a tablespoon of minced garlic, half a teaspoon of salt, and mix it all together. This is a secret, but if you add a pinch of MSG here, you're gonna be in heaven. Now, in a separate bowl, let's put the cucumbers, onions, garlic chives, seasoning sauce, and give it a good mix. Here, please be gentle and just toss them around. Once they are all coated, grab a piece of cucumber and give it a quick taste. And if it's underseasoned, add a little bit of salt to taste. But mine is perfect. Alright, it's done. Usually, now is the time to call our taste tester, but today, let's call Claire when everything is ready. This time, let's make Jinmichae Bokkeum. If you're a big fan of Korean food, I'm sure you've tried this fantastic side dish at least once at a Korean restaurant, right? Right? But you know what? This recipe will be better than that. I guarantee it. For this, you will need this jinmichae, dried shredded squid. It's nothing special, but irreplaceable. So if you buy something else and try it, you will end up with very different food. So please go to your local Korean grocery stores or try online. First, rinse 150 grams of dried squid under running water. This will make them clean and give you a better texture. But do not soak it in water. If you do that, it'll be something like a piece of rubber with no taste. I told you, so if that happens, I'm not responsible. Now, let's move on to the sauce. Put 1 tablespoon of Korean chili pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of Korean chili paste, half a tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of corn syrup, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of Kewpie mayo, and give it a good stir. I know you might think, what? Kewpie mayo? Don't worry about it. That's a kind of restaurant secret. That will tone down the spiciness from gochujang and make it more flavorful. Alright, let's get cooking. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a wok and place it over medium-low heat. Once it's nice and hot, add the sauce and fry for about 1 minute. As soon as it starts to bubble, reduce it down to low heat and then add in the dry squid and toast everything together for about 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. Alright, let's transfer it to a serving plate and finish it with a generous amount of toasted sesame seeds. How was it? Couldn't be any easier, right? The next one is Myeolchi Bokkeum, StirFried Anchovies. If I say the previous one is the #1 side dish, this bad boy will be like #2. I know some people might say, Aaron, I don't like seafood, it's too fishy. Same here. I do not like fishy stuff, but don't just give up on this before you try it. Once you try it, you will fall in love with this. For this, you will need some anchovies and shishito peppers. That's it. But if you want to add some different textures, you can put some nuts like almonds, walnuts, or peanuts. Not First, let's start with shishito peppers. Pick the stem off and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Now, some of you might say, Aaron, are you trying to kill me? That's too many. Don't worry about it. These peppers are not that spicy. They're just gonna add a boost of flavor and some nice texture. So please be generous with this. You will see the arch rival of green onion today. Next, anchovies. Put them in a strainer and give it a little shake. There's nothing much to prep if you're using this type of anchovies, but as you can see, there'll be unwanted guests here. If these guys go in, they will ruin the taste. So make sure to shake off these anchovies like this. This time, let's make the sauce. In a small container, put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 2 tablespoons of corn syrup, 1 tablespoon of Kewpie mayo, and give it a good mix. Now, in a dry pan, put 150 grams of anchovies and place it over medium-low. Here, we're gonna toss them around for about 5 minutes. That way, the fishy smell will fly away and it will make them more crunchy. Once everything is nice and golden, remove from the pan and set them aside. Now, in a clean pan, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and heat it over medium heat. Once it gets nice and hot, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and fry for 30 seconds. And then add the shishito peppers and stir this around for about 1 minute. Once you smell that amazing aroma, throw in all the anchovies and the sauce you made. Now all you need to do is just toss them around 3 to 4 minutes. So simple, right? Last but not least, transfer it to a serving plate and finish it with a good amount of sesame seeds. That's it. It looks super delicious, right? Alright, let's move on to the next banchan. The next one is Aehobakjeon, skinny pancakes. Just putting them on the table will make you so happy. Why? Because it's so pretty. And you wanna know what the best part is? It's extremely easy. For this, you will need zucchini, egg, AP flour, and some red chili. As always, this bad boy is mainly for color, so if you don't have it, you can skip it. No problem at all. First, slice the zucchini about 1 centimeter thick. If they are too thin, they will go all mushy after pan frying, and that's not gonna be that pleasant. Next, thinly slice some red chili for garnish. Once that's done, place your zucchinis on a plate and season with some salt on both sides. After 5 minutes, you can gently pat them dry to get rid of that extra moisture. Now take out 2 plates and fill them with flour and eggs. Just like any other Korean style pancake, we're gonna dip it in some flour, egg wash, and fry it. Alright, our zucchinis are ready to go. Let's get cooking. In a non-stick pan, add a splash of oil and wipe off the excess with paper towels. And then place it over medium-low and add in the zucchinis one by one. Once the bottom turns golden brown, put some chilies and flip them over. When they are beautiful golden brown on both sides, drain them on paper towels. And there you have it, Korean style zucchini pancake. A very simple method for a beautiful dish, isn't it? There's no reason not to try this. The last one is Soy Braised Kudex. If you have this with some rice, trust me, you will feel on top of the world. What? It looks complicated? Don't worry about it. This recipe will be the easiest. For this, you will need some chilies and quail eggs. That's it. Of course, you could boil and peel the eggs yourself. But why do you torture yourself? Just use this kind of stuff. You can easily find this at Korean grocery stores. Told you, it's gonna be so easy. First of all, rinse your eggs under cold water and drain. And then slice some chilies for garnish. Honestly, they are more of an aesthetic thing. So if you don't have them and can be bothered to go outside, then just bring some green onion. I know you have it somewhere in your place. And if you have some leftover shishito peppers, bring them all. The unique fragrance of these peppers will bring it to the next level. Now take out a wok or pot and put 1 kilogram of quail eggs, 2 cups of water, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Keep adding 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and place it over high heat. Once it comes to a boil, let it simmer for 7 minutes. Couldn't be any easier, right? So set up a timer and go watch your favorite TV show. Trust me, that's all you need. But don't forget to stir it occasionally. Alright, let's turn the heat off and add the chilies, shishito peppers, and give it a good stir. That's it. Once it's completely cooled down, you can keep this in the fridge and it will last for up to 2 weeks. And that will make you feel so rich. Finally, everything is done. It's time to gather all the dishes on the table. How do they look? They look fabulous, right? Alright, let's go to our taste tester.
Claire, Finally, it's 반찬 episode. 나에게 있어서 말이야, 반찬은 냉장고를 열면 항상 있는 존재. 너무 흔해서 사실 소중한지 정말 몰랐는데 결혼하고 나서 보니까 이게 진짜 소중한 거더라고. 화려하진 않은데 하나하나의 정성이 녹아져 있는 거 생각하면 Oh no! Hold on! Be quiet! 아이고. 화려하진 않은데 말이야. 하나하나의 정성이 녹아있는 그런 음식이더라. So to me, it's like my mom's love. First of all, I want to start with something fresh. Ready? 소리 엄청 아삭아삭한 것 같아. 들리지? 맛있다. 소스가 딱 새콤하니 입맛을 제대로 이제 딱 끌어주는 것 같다. It's so pretty. Ready? 자연스러운 그 단맛이 입에서 샥 수분감이 샥 퍼지네. 그리고 내가 항상 했었을 때는, 내가 만들 때는 이거 되게 너무 얇게 썰어가지고 이렇게 흐물흐물거리는 그런 식감인데 두껍게 써니까 먹었을 때 그 식감이 탁탁 느껴지는 게 너무 맛있는데? 예쁘기도 하고 맛도 맛있다. 그리고 디핑 소스가 따로 필요 없을 정도로 호박 안에 간이 잘 뱄네. 맛있다. I love it! 이번에는 멸치, 엔초비. 윤기 나는 게 엄청 맛있어 보이네. 꽈리고추. Ready? 겉은 바삭한데 속은 또 촉촉해서 되게 맛있다. 가끔 식당 가서 먹으면 엄청 딱딱해가지고 좀 먹기 힘들 경우도 있잖아. 근데 요거는 속도 촉촉하니 맛있네. 그리고 신의 한 수는 무조건 꽈리고추인 것 같아. 이게 음식 전체에 향긋함을 샥 뿌려주는 게 그냥 너무 맛있어. 사실 마지막 남은 이 두 녀석이 나의 베스트 오브 더 베스트야. 까보겠어. Ready? 역시. 맛있다. 이것도 멸치볶음처럼 좀 잘못하면 좀 딱딱해지기 되게 쉬운 요리인데 부드러우면서 맛있다. 그 소스 자체가 그냥 계속 먹고 싶게 만드는 그런 반찬인 것 같아. 보통 반찬은 무조건 밥이랑 같이 먹어야 이게 딱 간이 맞으면서 맞잖아. 근데 이거 솔직히 나는 너무 맛있어서 밥도 필요 없어. 그냥 뭔가 국수처럼 쭈룩쭈룩 계속 먹고 싶은 그런 맛? 진짜 너무 중독적이야 이거는. 그만 먹어야겠지? 이번엔 메추리알을 먹어보도록 하겠다. 자, 나이 젓가락질에 스크래치를 하지 마시고. 레디? 뭐 설명이 필요한가? 계란이 그냥 맛있지. 근데 여기다가 간장에 그 양념이 샥 배가지고 설명이 필요 없어. 너무 맛있어. 향긋해. Here's the project. Scoop it over. Get a little bit of a sauce like this. Mix it up. Like this. 다시 한 번 더. 앞으로 이렇게 반찬도 자주 만들어서 나에 대한 사랑을 많이 보여주라고. Just like my mom's, he never showed me his love.
Today, I showed you 5 types of banchan, Korean side dishes. Since I showed you 5 at a time, it may sound quite complicated, but you don't have to try them all at once. Just pick your favorite 2 or 3 and make them on the weekend. Then you will get an amazing breakfast literally every day. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.